In today's video, we're going to talk about how to set up Jez Proxy VPN. So first, of course, before you can set up the Jez Proxy VPN, the same with all other apps, you need to first install it. But unfortunately, if you look for Jez Proxy VPN, it has been removed from Google Play Store. If you try to look for it or click a link that redirects you to it, Google Play Store will likely just show you item not found. The reason might be the app either violates Play Store policies or has security concerns or that the developer decides to take it down. But if you were able to download the old version, you may be able to set it up and still continue to use the app. But right now, it's mostly unavailable. Now you might see websites offering APK downloads, but be careful for these files can be modified or unsafe, especially with VPN apps that handle your internet traffic. Also, if you already have the old version of Jez Proxy VPN installed, it might still work, but there's no guarantee it'll stay stable or secure long term. So the best move will be to start switching to alternative apps that are still supported and updated. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!